देख रहे थे
We begin with the tragic incident from Uttar Pradesh, Ghaziabad, where a massive fire broke out at an air conditioner service center, leaving one elderly man dead and causing widespread destructions. According to reports, the fire erupted in the early hours at densely populated localities in Patel Nagar area. What started as a sudden blaze quickly turned into a devastating inferno as flames engulfed the entire building houses the AC service center. Eyewitness accounts suggest that the fire intensified rapidly due to the presence of AC gas cylinders and compressors, which began exploding one after another. These repeated blasts not only fueled the fire but also created panic among residents living nearby. Thick black smoke was seen rising into the sky as the fire spread across the structure. Local immediately alerted that the fire department, following which multiple fire tenders were rushed to the spot. Fire officials stated that the first alert was received around 3 a.m. and teams from nearby stations were immediately deployed. However, by the time firefighters arrived, the building had already been severely engulfed in flames. The situation became more challenging due to narrow lanes and congested surrounding, which made it difficult for fire engines to reach close to the building. Despite this, firefighters launched a large-scale operation to control the blaze and prevent it from spreading to adjacent buildings. Several hours of continuous efforts were required before the fire could finally be brought under control. After the flames were doused, a search operation inside the building led to a heartbreaking discovery. The body of an elderly man was recovered from the ground floor. He had been identified as 80-year-old Trilokinath, who unfortunately could not escape the rapidly spreading fire. Apart from the loss of life, the fire also caused massive property damage. At least 2 cars and nearly a dozen motorcycles parked nearby were completely destroyed in the blaze, highlighting the scale of destructions. Authorities have now launched a detailed investigation to determine the exact cause of the fire. Preliminary indications suggest that the presence of pressurized cylinders and compressors may have played a key role in triggering the explosion, but officials have not ruled out other possibilities. This incident has once again raised serious concerns about fire safety standards in commercial workshops and service centers, especially those handling flammable gases and high-pressure equipment in densely populated areas. Local residents have also expressed fear and anger, saying that such units operating in residential zones pose a constant risk to public safety. Meanwhile, fire department officials have urged shop owners and technicians to strictly follow safety protocols and ensure proper storage and handling of gas cylinders and electrical equipments. As the investigation continues, the focus now shifts to accountability and prevention to ensure that such a tragic incident does not repeat.
आज दिनांक 9 मई 2026 को सुबह समय लगभग 3:05 पर फायर स्टेशन घंटाघर कोतवाली की सूचना प्राप्त हुई थी। पटेल नगर स्थित ऑन स्पॉट सर्विस सेंटर जो है एक मकान में स्थित है, जो 3 मंजिला मकान था, उसमें आग लगी हुई है। तत्काल हमारी 8 गाड़ियाँ फायर स्टेशन घंटाघर कोतवाली से, साहिवाल से, वैशाली से और मोदीनगर से घटनास्थल पर भेजी गई। चूँकि घनी आबादी क्षेत्र में स्थित था सर्विस सेंटर, चारों तरफ से 3 टीम गठित करते हुए तीनों फ्लोर्स पर आग बुझाना शुरू किया और लगभग 2 घंटे में आग को पूरी तरह से बुझा दिया। घटना में सर्च ऑपरेशन के दौरान एक व्यक्ति जिनकी उम्र लगभग 80 वर्ष थी, जिनका नाम त्रिलोकीनाथ था, वो मृत अवस्था में पाए गए, जिनको तत्काल बाहर निकाला गया। साथ ही ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर खड़ी हुई कुछ कारें और बाइक क्षतिग्रस्त हुई हैं। साथ ही अन्य जो आसपास के रहायशी मकान थे, उसमें आग फैलने से पूर्व ही पूरी तरह से।
This is a developing story and more details are expected as authorities release further finding. We will continue to bring you the latest updates. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe our channel.